Hello, happy Saturday to everyone out there in Cyberland. Hope you're having a good weekend. Guess what I'm doing? I'm working today because one of my websites is jacked up. It's all messed up. I use WordPress on most of the websites. Not all of them, but most of them. And I'm going to take these off because they're aggravating me. I use WordPress on a lot of my websites, or most of my websites. And most of the time, the problems come along when I add plugins and the plugins conflict with each other, and that's what creates problems. And so I usually go through and disable plugins and find out what's not, kind of through the process of elimination, find out what's not working, what's conflicting with each other, and all that kind of thing. But there are times, like today, on my personal website, that I can't even log in to WordPress to do that. So I'm going to show you how, if you cannot log in to WordPress, what you can do to fix that problem. And I'm going to show you very quickly, hopefully. See, on my main website, johnhigginbotham.com, I'm going to show you what happens. You can see that there's an error right here. And I'm going to show you that I cannot log. Why is it doing that? This has not been my day. Let me shrink my. Hold on a minute. Let me get my face out of here. Oh, I don't care. Okay. So I'm going to show you that I cannot log in. I can't log in I can't log in to my WordPress installation because of these errors. And as you can see, I'm going to put my glasses on because I'm blind, even though they're bugging me. Yeah, I can't. I'm not using them. They're just aggravating me for some reason. But these two plugins are causing problems. Where's my? They're causing problems. So I'm going to have to log in via the Cpanel to move these plugins, or basically delete these plugins, and see what happens, because that's the only way that I can get into my WordPress installation. So I'm going to go to Cpanel. It really sucks to be blind. It really, really does. So I'm going to shrink myself very, very small. Okay, so what's my password? I'm going to have to go to, hold on a second. Just a second. Okay, I decided to go through my main reseller account, and hopefully it won't give me any issues. I'm gonna find my domain here. I'm gonna go to this one because I had to put it on a subdomain. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the file manager, and this is my Cpanel, and I'm doing this through my reseller account because I'm having technical issues logging into my LastPass to find the username and password for the Cpanel on the actual root domain. So I'm just going to do it this way because I know the password for this. Everything else is in LastPass, and I have lots of websites, so I can't remember all of them, obviously. So I'm going to do it the difficult way. So I'm going to find out which of these plugins. I go to the public HTML. Then I go to WP content, and I want to go to plugins, and I could either, I'm going to see if I can change the permissions on this instead of actually deleting it. So what was the plugin that I was having problems with? I'm having problems seeing, so you'll have to bear with me. This, I think PC hide pages is one of them. So I'm going to delete that and see what happens. Because I think after I added that, because I added that later, not recently, so I'm going to delete that. What happened to it now? Here it is. So I'm going to delete the entire thing and see if that works. Delete. Okay, so I'm going to go to my website and see if that helps any. It worked! It worked, it worked, it worked, it worked. So yeah, when you're having problems getting into your WordPress installation, you can go through the cPanel of your domain, you know, if you're using Linux hosting, that is, and go through the cPanel of your domain and delete the problem plugin. In this case, it was PC hide pages because it said in the error on johnhigginbotham.com, it said there that was one of the conflicting plugins. And so I clicked that one because I knew, or I deleted that one because I knew that the other one I've had on there for a long time. This is a new one. So yeah, if you're having problems logging in to your WordPress installation, you must go through cPanel and delete the offending plugin, and then go back and reinstall it and go from there. So okay, that's it. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if you want to follow any of my projects, any of my online stuff, and watch me build my digital empire, as I call it, my Digipire, you can do so at digipire.com. And I really can't see. Okay, bye.